guys, welcome back to another Barbie video. I have quite a few dolls with me today, but I think we need one more. I love Barbie. She is one of my favorite dolls. As you know, I love the American Girl and the Barbie. They are my two favorite, but I grew up with Barbie and I absolutely love Barbie. And I have something super special. I am so excited for her. I found her at a thrift store. So this could be a thrift store find too. It is number 19. Let me turn her this way. She is from the Fashionistas line. She is still in the package. There is a little bit of package damage, but we're going to open her up. And she is from, can you see it down there? It's a little hard. 2015. This doll right there is 10 years old. I love my dolls. These ones are about 10 years old. This one's newer. This doll is also, I'm going to say, around 5 to 10 years old. And you know I have my 80s Barbies that I absolutely love. I am so excited. Do you know how much she was? $5 for a new in box. I mean, it's a little damaged. These are not collectible dolls, so I have no issue with ripping her open. But look at the collection. I remember when these were in the stores in Toys R Us. Look at these. So we have the Barbie Fashionista tag. I tried to pull it off because I think that's a winner's tag underneath, but I can't get the price, so I don't know how much she sold for originally. But I remember seeing all of these dolls in Toys R Us 10 years ago. Specifically this yellow one, this yellow and blue dress. I remember that vividly. And then the second set of Fashionistas came out and there was a pink-haired doll, which is not to be confused with Daisy from The New Life in the Dream House. It was just a pink-haired doll. But I love that even going back 10 years, we had purple hair and we had blue hair. You know my new favorite doll right now is our beautiful blue scientist. I just love, I don't like the quality, but I love the color of her hair. Fashion, if you can't be a fashionista if you don't have an amazing fashionable outfit or fashionable hair. This one is from, I don't know where it's from. We have the English, the French, the Portuguese, and something else, and I'm sorry, I don't know. But it's Barbie.com, Barbie.uk, Barbie.fr for France or French, and then PT for Portugal. So I'm assuming maybe this is a Portuguese version of the doll. The box is in English for the most part. 2015 Mattel, obviously made in China. The boxes have changed. Do you notice, like, the number one thing that I am noticing? There's hardly any pink on the package. I don't know. I like the red. You know what? We're going to move my Barbies. Excuse me, ladies. And we are going to put her right down. And I cannot wait to open her. So let's just go right into it. I'm amazed. Do you see that? I'm amazed. Okay, let's go. There she is. And she's out. Okay. Oh, she has long hair. Okay. I think I should have brought scissors, but I thought this was just elastic. All right. Oh, her hair is a mess. Okay, I'm going to wiggle. All right. My goodness, it took a while, but we got her out. So there is the packaging. Very, I don't know, 2015s, I suppose, with the black. Like, there's hardly any pink. And this cardboard is, like, that is some thick cardboard. Huh? I don't know. All right. It did not fall on the floor. It hit the chair. Let's look at this beautiful doll. Now, she has been in a box for 10 years. I don't think she has a name. She's just number 19. She has, I'm assuming this is supposed to be wavy hair and bangs. Now, it looks like, do you remember Ken? Oh my goodness. I do have him. Ken. We opened the Fashionista Ken, and he came in a plastic pouch. Do you remember the hair here? How it was like hard? Her hair is the same way. It's very, like, it even looks, can you see there's a tone difference? There's so much of the glue on the bangs. It makes her hair a different color on the side. Can you see that on the camera? I love her though. So she does appear to be from an Asian country. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. And I did see online that some people said her name was something with an N. I don't remember. Oh my goodness. I'll put it in the comment section. I think it was like Nikita or something along those lines. Do not quote me. I'm sorry. But I do believe she's supposed to be an Asian doll, which means she would be similar to my scientist doll. Do you know what I love about them? She is so much very more pale. Like, she is paler than this doll. I don't think I have a Barbie that pale. Look at the colors of them. I love that Barbie has more than just one skin tone. That one went over. More than just one skin tone. She's incredibly pale. Like, she's even paler than Ken. She is beautiful. Let's compare height. She also has flat feet. So she is the same height. So the current dolls are the same height. Some of the Fashionistas were much shorter. But let's look at her dress. So her hair is more of a older Barbie style. It is actual hair. You see that? Her scalp is painted and there's a bald spot. See it right there? Unless it's just all the, like, oh, look at the glue. That's a lot. I'm hoping it's just because she was in the box. This hair feels like cheap plastic, which is my complaint. This hair feels more like a Barbie's hair. This one or this one where it's going to eventually frizz out. And you can already see it frizzing. It was not a good cut. But we're going to move her again so we can just focus on our new one. I love her. She is gorgeous. Look at that red power lip. She does have flat shoes. And it looks like, oh, I thought it was a sock. That's just the elastic holding it on. But look at these cute little shoes. She does not have bendy knees or bendy legs. She does have the underwear built in. This feels cheap. Oh my goodness. I'm going to just turn her head. Let's see. Is there a tag in the dress? Probably not. There's no tag in the dress. And it does say 2015 Mattel. I love the top of the dress. That's a really nice fabric. I love the color red of the skirt. It just feels cheap. Listen to it. It feels like a Dollar Tree material. So now tell me, we're going to bring this one back again. What would you prefer? The full-on printed dress like this where the shirt and the dress are one, or something like this? Honestly, I prefer this type of outfit. It's got the Velcro. You can take it on and off of her. And I believe you could fit it on dolls of different waistlines. I love the color. I love the dress. I love the fact she comes with a pearl bracelet. Look at her bracelet. Earrings? No. Dolls haven't come with earrings, I guess, since the 80s. I love the shoes. I cannot wait to add her to our videos and start using her in videos so that we have more new dolls. I just wish she was a little bit better quality. 2010, 2015 is when the quality of our Barbies started to change, like, in a much more noticeable way. Her arms are fully, so you can move them up to the side, which I like. Her legs do only go, like, they don't have hips. Oh, she does have a little bit of a hip, so you can move her legs a little bit that way. But it's mainly just up and down. I do prefer the Barbies, I guess because this one's a made to move where her hips will move all over. Maybe they could have done that. But considering these were not supposed to be high-end Barbies, they would have been more in line with this one. Or even with this one. She wasn't a fashionista, I don't think. She actually came with a red plaid shirt. I still remember that, with a little bee in the corner. They're all about the same quality. She does have the flat feet. I think this was around when we got away from the heels. Let me see. Do I have... Here are my shoes from my Scientist Barbie. I'm just going to switch them, see that their feet are the same size. Let's see. They are. Those are the same shoes. So that's nice. Yeah, I love her. I think she is a perfect addition to our team. And can you believe she was only $5? I don't know what she would have been new, but tell me in the comments, do you check? Like when I go to the thrift store, the very first thing I do is I check for dolls. I go to that Barbie wall and I look, and I was so excited to find a new one. So you've seen the videos where we find the clothes and things. I was so excited. So tell me in the comments, do you do that? What's your favorite part of the thrift store? And do you have this doll? If you're a doll collector, do you have this doll? Any ideas what to do with the hair? Because like, oh my gosh, look at it. My hands are sticky. I'm afraid it's going to ruin her head because like her hair is a mat. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I don't even think you can wash that out. She is beautiful. And now I have 2 brunette dolls to add to my collection. I have this brunette doll. I have this lovely brunette doll. And I have blondes and I have blue. Do you know what we need? We need a pink and a purple haired Barbie, and we will have them all. We have a Ken with interesting hair. I mean, the Barbie collection is glowing, and welcome newest Barbie to our collection. Let me know. There is gunk on my finger from picking at the packaging. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? And of course now it's gone. Look at her. I love her. Let me know. Do you have her? Thank you so much for watching. Again, in the comments, let me know. Did you see her? Have you had her? Did you have her? Do you know what she originally sold for? I've got all kinds of questions. You let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching me and all of my dolls. All right. Thank you guys.